everybody, and welcome back again to my channel, Ivan Cooking Adventure. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our wonderful recipes. Today we're gonna continue our journey on how to do a nice cranberry sauce. This is a journey of how to make a nice Thanksgiving dinner for you guys. The way I do my cranberry sauce is actually by adding cranberries, and I do a twist by adding a little bit of blueberries and raspberries. I also use brown sugar, orange, and the zest of an orange. To do your cranberry sauce, start by caramelizing the brown sugar. And I have the saucepan. By caramelizing the sugar, it will liquefy the sugar in order for you to cook your cranberries. Just caramelize it. Just let it liquefy with the heat. Now that you see that the sugar has liquefied, then add the cranberries. Mix it well with all of the sugar and let it cook until all the cranberries start breaking up. When they start breaking up, they're gonna start throwing liquid, letting go liquid from the cranberries, the juices that they have, and then it's gonna be more liquid and everything's gonna be mixed there. The sugar, cranberry, and all that, it's just gonna be one mixture. It's gonna be like a sauce in a little while. Just get the zest of an orange so you could add it to your cranberry sauce. Now you can see that the cranberries are breaking out and letting it go the liquid, their own juices. The more you leave it cook it, the more juice they will let go. Now that their cranberries are actually a little bit open up, just add the blueberries and the cranberries in the pile. Mix it well and let it cook for another 5 minutes before adding the juice of the orange and the orange zest. Now that the raspberries and the blueberries are cooked with the cranberries there, you can see how everything is mixed. Just pour the nice orange juice there. It's gonna give you the acidity that you need for your cranberry sauce and the zest of the orange. Mix it well and lower the heat. Let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes before serving. To elevate the flavor, you can also add a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg. Let me mix it. This will give the kick and elevate that flavor a little bit more with a nice cranberry sauce. So now that the cranberry sauce is done, just transfer it into a bowl or any jar that you want, so you could have it ready when you need it. I usually do this in advance because first of all, it's that one thing less to do for Thanksgiving, and second, when you leave this from one day to the next, the flavors will intensify even more. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.